Click on the link below to get price. The Handy Home Products Rookwood 10x16 do-it-yourself wooden storage shed with floor kit emerges as a practical solution for homeowners seeking additional storage space without compromising on aesthetics. From the outset, the quality of materials used is commendable. The shed is constructed from solid wood, which not only enhances its durability but also ensures a natural look that can blend seamlessly with various outdoor environments. One of the standout features is the included floor kit, which adds a layer of stability and keeps your stored items protected from moisture. The pre-cut, pre-stained panels simplify the assembly process, making it accessible even for those with minimal DIY experience. The instructions are clear and well illustrated, which significantly reduces the installation time. Most users can expect to complete the assembly in a day or two, depending on their skill level and the extent of help available. The design of the Rookwood shed is another highlight. With a gable roof, it offers ample headroom inside, making it easy to store larger items like bicycles, lawnmowers, or gardening tools. The double doors provide convenient access, and the large windows allow for natural light, creating a more inviting workspace. However, potential buyers should be aware of a few considerations. The shed requires regular maintenance, such as staining or painting, to prolong its lifespan and keep its appearance pristine. Additionally, while the wood is treated, some users have reported issues with weather resistance in particularly harsh climates. Overall, the Handy Home Products Rookwood shed stands out for its combination of functionality and style. It is ideal for those looking to enhance their outdoor storage options while maintaining an attractive aesthetic. With its robust construction, thoughtful design, and ease of assembly, it represents a solid investment for homeowners seeking a reliable storage solution.